how variations are developed in the plants. So when you observe these hibiscus plants, these all are like light yellow color flowers, but when you observe another flower in same plant, the flower get mixing two colors. So develop the variations in the one of the flower in this plant. It's an amazing flower. So like attached two flowers, but it is only one flower. It's very interesting observing this flower.